Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to put some audio on your Capcut PC, whether it's built-in audio or you could just record the audio yourself. Okay, so first and foremost, if you want to dig into the built-in audio, it's going to be right here. Click this button right here. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. Sound effects as well. There's a lot of sound effects here, and they're also copyright free, I believe. Yeah, because it's copyright free, you don't have to pay anything for it. But see, you have this one on TikTok as well. You have backgrounds, brand music, but this is what you want to click if you want to have the recorded audio. If you want to record audio on the meantime while you're processing your narrations and all of that, this is the tool to go. So I hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.